Hello, engineering enthusiasts. Today, we're stepping into the world of maintenance, a crucial aspect that ensures our beloved press brakes operate at their peak performance. With insights from ADH Machine Tool, we're about to unveil the ultimate guide to press brake maintenance. Let's get started. Regular maintenance is the unsung hero that prolongs the service life, enhances safety, and ensures the optimal performance of press brakes. It's a blend of inspecting the hydraulic system, mechanical parts, electrical equipment, and, of course, the tooling. The hydraulic circuit, the lifeblood of the press brake. Keeping the oil and circuit clean, checking the oil level, and ensuring the oil tank is sealed yet ventilated are pivotal steps. Every bolt, nut, and screw matters. Regular inspections ensure the stability of all mechanical components, keeping the press brake operating smoothly and preventing unexpected downtimes. Lubrication is the silent guardian of a press brake. It reduces friction, prevents wear and tear, and ensures each component moves with grace and precision. But remember, balance is key. Over-lubrication can lead to component contamination. Electrical equipment requires meticulous care, regular checks, ensuring connections are tight, and keeping components clean and safe are essential steps. It's not just about performance, but safety as well. And let's not forget the tooling system. Regular maintenance, cleaning, and the application of anti-corrosion lubricants ensure the punches and dies are always ready to deliver precision bends. There you have it, a comprehensive look into the world of press brake maintenance. A world where precision, efficiency, and longevity are crafted in every detail of care and maintenance. A special thanks to ADH Machine Tool for their invaluable insights. If you're ready to dive deeper into the engineering wonders, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's continue this journey of discovery together.